Hello retro gamers, I have to show you this new game, Bomb Buster. This is very nice. I really like this game. This is and I'm using Sinclair. This is adapter to my TAC2 joystick. So alright, here we have it. This starts like this. You have to take this bomb and destroy this thing. And before you take this bomb, you can use as much time as you like. But when you take this bomb, you will see the time is ticking down. And then you have to destroy this before the time goes out. And you have starts with I think it's 10 lives. So now I can shoot. So I can just use the action button and shoot these flames. And you see, going down, I have to take it. This one you have to take as many times as there. Go to nil, 0. If the time goes out, then you lose 1 life. So you cannot shoot now, you know. You have to take that bomb before you can shoot. And now, it doesn't matter how much time you use. Take the bomb, shoot. Shoot. You see, go down, 1 left, 0. Finish the level. Go, Buster! This is a really cool game. I love it. Oops! It's a little bit late with jumping there. Okay. Wait. Jump! Jump! Woo! Now you have to be fast. You see they go down? Now it's 5, 4, yeah, 3 left. And you get bonus from the time left. So the better time you have, the more bonus you will get. Ups! Very bad play. What am I doing? No problem. Oh, 3 left. See, have to be fast. Oh, only 1 left. So now we're coming to the next world. So now it's coming this balls jumping and things. It's starting to get a little bit difficult, I would say. Aye. Okay. Right. Now the time starts to go down. Oop. Shoot. 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 Nice. Nah. But this is really cool. You have to check it out. No, have to be a little patient. All right, fuck off. Yes. Go, Buster. This level, okay, it's not that hard. Okay, and let's see, this level is, oh yeah, oh, now we have to be fast. The time goes off. Oh no, only one life left. No! Okay, people. Play it yourself. It's really good.